Okay, hi everyone. Today we are going to learn is about coordination number and type of packing. Okay. Since last time we discussed about packing efficiency and void, today we are going to discuss about the coordination number and type of packing students. So if you see here students, let us see what is coordination number first. Do remember this word is again there in another chapter called coordination compound. But in that chapter, whatever you learn about coordination number is totally different from the chapter called solid state. So you will hear the word called coordination number in two chapters. One is in solid state, one is in coordination number, but the meaning are totally different. So let us see what is the meaning of coordination number in solid state. You can see here one example I have given you out here. If you see, this is the central particle, you can see out here, this is the particle, central particle, and if you see, it is in contact with how many? In direct contact? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this central particle is in direct contact with how many of them? 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, the coordination number out here is 4. Cn means coordination number. So in this case, coordination number is 4 because the particle which is at the center is directly linked with 4 other particles. So what is the definition of coordination number? It is the number of neighboring particles. It is the number of neighboring particles which are in direct contact with a particle in a crystal. So I repeat again, coordination number is the number of particles 1, 2, 3, 4. Coordination number is the number of neighboring particles 2, 3, 4, which is in direct contact with a particle in a crystal. So in this case, coordination number is 4. So do remember students, we can see type of packing in 2 dimension and 3 dimension. Okay, first we will see the type of packing in 2 dimension. After that we will see the type of packing in 3 dimension students. So let us see packing in 2 dimension first. So type of packing in 2 dimension is of 3 types. One is called linear closed packing, the other is called square closed packing, and the third one is called hexagonal closed packing. These are the 3 types of packing in 2 dimension. Okay, and let us see now how to find the coordination number here. So the linear means straight, so I made it here. And if you see this particle, this is in direct contact with how many? 2. Similarly, this is again in direct contact with how many? 2. So in this case students, coordination number is 2. So for linear closed packing, coordination number is 2. Why for linear closed packing coordination number is 2? Because a particle is in direct contact with how many? 2 of them. So coordination number will be 2. Now let us see square closed packing students. If you see out here, I made one particle out here to make you understand. And if you see this particle is in direct contact with how many? You can see it is in direct contact with this particle, it is in direct contact with this particle, this is in direct contact, it is in direct contact with this particle, it is in direct contact with this particle, and it is in direct contact with this particle. So if you draw a line from here, you get a shape of a square. You can see here. Okay. So that means this central particle is in direct contact with how many? 4. And they form like a square. So therefore it is called square closed packing. And for this coordination number is 4. Why? Because the central particle is in direct contact with how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So whatever is the neighboring particle which is in direct contact with the central particle gives you the value of coordination number. So for linear closed packing, coordination number is 2. For square closed packing, coordination number is what? 4. And these are the 2 types of so far 2-dimensional packing. Now we go to the third one in 2-dimensional packing, that is hexagonal closed packing, for which I have again made a diagram out here for you. Now if you see this central particle, now let us see it is in direct contact with how many? Okay, the exact picture you will get it from the book. This is a rough one to make you understand. So this one is in direct contact with this and this particle students. So if you draw a line, you get a picture of hexagon, means having 6 sides. You can see out here. So therefore it is called hexagonal closed packing. Therefore it is called hexagonal closed packing. And if you count the number of particles which is in direct contact with the particle which is at the center is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore the coordination number for this is 6. So do remember students, the number of neighboring particle which is in direct contact with the particle in a crystal gives you the value of coordination number. And type of packing in 2 dimension is of 3 types: linear, square and closed packing. For linear closed packing, coordination number is 2. For square closed packing, coordination number is 4. And for hexagonal closed packing, coordination number is 6. You don't have to learn these pictures. Just remember the value of coordination number. So in 2-dimension linear close packing, coordination number 2. Square close packing, coordination number 4. And hexagonal close packing is coordination number 6. Students, if you want, you can take the screenshot of this for your future reference. Okay. Now we will see another type of packing, that is packing in 3-dimension. Now what we are going to see is type of packing in 3-dimension. Okay, so now let us see type of packing in 3-dimension. Type of packing in 3-dimension, and it is very important as compared to 2-dimension. So do remember, student, type of packing in 2-dimension is least important, but more than that is in 3D. Type of packing in 3-dimension is more important than in your type of packing in 2-dimension. So the number one is called your cubic closed packing. Cubic closed packing, also abbreviated as CCP. So what is the full form of CCP? Cubic closed packing. So full form of CCP is cubic closed packing, which is also known by the name face-centered close packing, which is abbreviated as FCC. So students, did I wrote capital FCC or small FCC right now? You can check here. Earlier we wrote capital FCC, which means face-centered cubic unit cell, but this is small letter FCC, which means face-centered close packing, FCC. So CCP or FCC both is same. Okay, it has two names, cubic close packing or face-centered close packing, both comes under 3-dimensional packing. Number 2 type of close packing is your hexagonal closed packing. Hexagonal closed packing, abbreviated as HCP. H stands for hexagonal, C stands for close, P stands for packing. So HCP means hexagonal closed packing. And number 3 type of packing is body-centered closed packing. Body-centered closed packing, which is abbreviated as BCC. But again, did I wrote capital or small? Small letter. So capital letter BCC means body-centered cubic unit cell, but small letter BCC means body-centered closed packing. So students, there are 3 types of packing according to packing in 3-dimension. In 2-dimension also there are 3 types of packing. In 3-dimension also there are 3 types of packing. But 3-dimensional packing is more important than 2-dimensional packing in your syllabus. So 3-dimensional packing are 3 types: cubic closed packing, abbreviated as CCP, also known by the name face-centered closed packing, abbreviated as small FCC. Hexagonal closed packing, abbreviated as HCP, hexagonal closed packing, and body-centered closed packing is abbreviated as BCC, small letter, body-centered closed packing. Capital BCC means body-centered closed packing. Now for this also you need to remember the coordination number. So do remember, student, BCC packing is seen in capital BCC. That means body-centered closed packing you observe in body-centered cubic unit cell. So small BCC is observed in capital BCC, means body-centered closed packing is observed in body-centered cubic unit cell. And if you remember, the picture of this was like this. So here we make a cube, and you know that in body-centered cubic unit cell, particles are present in the what? Corners. Particles are present in the 8 corners. In body-centered cubic unit cell, particles are present in the 8 corners, and one at the center of the cubic unit cell. So this is the picture of capital BCC. Okay, capital BCC means body-centered cubic unit cell. Students, in body-centered cubic unit cell, the particles are present in the 8 corners and one at the center of the cubic unit cell. Now I have made a small particles out here. Assume they are big. So we can see out here, student, is this red particle is surrounded by 4 particles from above. Again, the same red particle is surrounded by the 4 black particle down. So if I say like this, students, suppose this is, here I have a red particle. Okay, let us consider this as a red particle, and consider this my palm now. So it is been surrounded by 4 particles from up and 4 particles from down. It is surrounded by 4 particles from up, 4 particles from down. That means this is in direct contact with how many in total? 8. 4 from up, 4 from down. So it is in direct contact in total with how many? 8. As a result, we can say that for BCC coordination number is 8. Why 8? Because up it is surrounded by 4, down surrounded by 4, total 8. In this picture, I have not shown you the direct contact. If I have to show you, the picture becomes very complicated. Do remember, here they are not in direct contact, but you have to assume they are in direct contact. So the red particle is surrounded by the 4 particles from up, 4 particles from down. 4 plus 4, total 8. So do remember, for BCC coordination number is 8. Now we will go to HCP. Let us see hexagonal close packing. So I am going to make a hexagon here. I am going to make here is hexagon. If you see, students, I have made how many hexagon here? 2. And in this corner, what is present? Particles are present. In this corner, what is present? Particles are present. In this corner, in all this corner, particles are present. And there will be 3 particles in center of this. Okay. Now let us join the line to give you a 3D picture. So let us consider this is the hexagon. Okay. Now let us see, this is the hexagonal close packing. Now let us see the coordination number. Now just see these red particles in the center. The red particles again is in the center. The red particle is again in the center. The red particle is on the center, which is surrounded by 6 from up, 6 from down. It is surrounded by 6 particles from up and 6 particles from down. 6 particles from up, 6 particles from down. You can see this red. It is surrounded by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 from up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 from down. So 6 plus 6 makes it 12. So do remember its coordination number is 12. How it became 12? 6 plus 6 makes it 12. 6 plus 6 makes it 12. So the coordination number here is 12. And do remember, student, actually they are in direct contact. They are in direct contact but not possible to show out here. So assume that all the red particles are surrounded by 6 black from up, 6 black from down, and they are in direct contact. We have to assume that way. So do remember, for body center cubic unit cell, coordination number is 8 because this red particle is surrounded by 4 from up, 4 from down. So 8. Here the red is surrounded by 6 from up, 6 from down back. So the 6 plus 6 makes it 12. And this packing has one name also. Let us consider this black particle as A. And let us consider this red particle as B. Again, let us consider this black particle as A, and this chain will continue. Okay, I have made only for 2 layers right now. You can, if you want, you can elongate this. So A, B, A, B, A, B, it keeps on coming. A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, it keeps on coming if you elongate this picture. Therefore, this packing is also known by the name AB, AB, AB packing. So what is the another name of hexagonal close packing? Hexagonal close packing is also known by the name AB, 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 AB packing, abbreviated as HCP, student, and the coordination number is 12. So do remember, BCC coordination number is 8, hexagonal close packing coordination number is 12, 6 plus 6, 12, and it is also known by the name AB, 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 AB packing. Now we will go to the first one, cubic close packing, also known by the name face center close packing. Do remember, FCC has FCC packing, means face center cubic unit cell, capital FCC, has face center close packing, that is small FCC. So small FCC is present inside capital FCC, means face center close packing is found inside face center cubic unit cell. Okay, so small FCC is found inside capital FCC, means face center cubic close packing is found inside face center cubic unit cell. And what was the picture of face center cubic unit cell? Let us see now. We have to make a cube again. After you make a cube, students, as you know, in this cube again, in face center close packing, particles are present in how many corners? 8 corners. So I am making the particles at 8 corners. You can see the particles are present in 8 corners, just like in body center and primitive. Okay. Now the particles are even present at the center of 6 faces. So let me consider this as the center of the above face and representing the particle by another symbol, or you can see another diagram, you can see another notation, you can also say. One is below. This is the center of the upper face, center of the which face? down face. Center of the right face, center of the left face. These all are the same particles got, okay? Now one is present at the center of the back face, one is present at the center of the front face. I would have represented all of them with the same color, students, okay? But to make you understand, I made it with the different colors. So the particles which are at the corners are made by the your black shaded one. The particle which is at the top, bottom, left, right, center, I have represented by simply a circle. And the particle which is present back and front, I am represented by a red color. Now let us see the coordination number of the red particle here. Now you can see this red particle is surrounded by 4 black and 2 unshaded circle. That means 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again from down 1, 2, 3, 4 black, 2 this one, 6. We don't count red. We just have to count black one and the unshaded circle. So for this red, if you see, it is surrounded by 4 black, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2 unshaded one, total 6. From down also 4 black, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2 unshaded, total 6. So 6 plus 6 makes it 12. Similarly, if you have to count for this, again it is surrounded by 4 black and 2 unshaded, 6. From down, from up, 4 black shaded, 2 unshaded one, total 6. So when you count for this red, we omit this red. When you count for this red, we omit this red. So if it is, see here, the 4 it is surrounded by the black, 2 unshaded, 6. 4 by the black shaded one, 2 unshaded, total 6 from up, 6 from down. Total 6 plus 6 makes the coordination number again 12. Again what students? 12. So do remember from now on, cubic close packing, face center close packing, CCP, FCC coordination number is 12. Hexagonal close packing coordination number is 12 and body center close packing coordination number is 8. Now if I had to give the name, let us consider this black as A. This black as A, students. Black as A, and this one without shaded one be B and this red one be C. Similarly, again I am repeating. Let us consider the black one as A, unshaded one is B and the red is C. So therefore it is called ABC packing. Okay. So another name of this one is ABC packing. So we call it by the name ABC packing. So now students, what you have to remember from this page? As I said, the 3-dimensional packing is very important to you. What you have to remember is the coordination number of each of this packing along with this abbreviation, and which is called AB packing and which is called ABC packing. Do remember, body center cubic close packing has no such names. It is only for CCP and HCP. Now the confusion arises like this. Now which was ABC and which was AB packing. Now you can see here, in CCP there is maximum number of C. In FCC also there is maximum number of C. So in ABC also there is maximum number of C. So maximum C. So do remember, CCP, FCC is ABC because there are so many C's as you can see in this two. Whereas in HCP there is only one C, therefore there is no C out here, so it's AB packing. So do remember the coordination number, students, of this along with the type of packing they are, okay, and the abbreviation. Diagram is not required. I made it just to make you understand. Thank you very much. So you could have taken the screenshot. I don't have to say again and again repeatedly to do so. Now let us see the summary of this, which is important to you all. Okay, summary of this is like this, students. Now the type of packing which we have with us is, one is CCP or FCC, the other is your HCP, the other is your BCC, the type of packing. And just now we got the coordination number. Remember, for objective, coordination number 12, and this is 8. So what is the coordination number of BCC? 4 up, 4 down, total what? 8. HCP 6 up, 6 down, total 12. And CCP, FCC means 4 up, 6 up, 6 down. So again 12, the coordination number. And what is the packing efficiency of these all? Since it belongs to what? Since it belongs to capital BCC. And what was the packing efficiency for capital BCC? 68%. Yes. So it will be same. Where is small FCC present? Small FCC is present inside capital FCC. face and the post packing is present inside face and the cubic unit cell, the packing efficiency will be 74%, which we have got in our previous classes. Now since the coordination number of these two is same, you can see coordination number of these two is same, so the packing efficiency will be also same. So for CCP, FCC and HCP, packing efficiency is 74%, coordination number for both is 12. For BCC it is 68 and coordination number is simply 8. Now from here we can easily find the void percentage. If 74 is the packing, subtract from 100, 26% is the void. Subtract from 100, 26% is the void. Subtract from 100, 32% is the void. And do remember this one for your objective questions, okay? So if you want, you can take the screenshot of these students. So do remember this much for objective. What is the coordination number of such packing in 3D? What is the packing efficiency value? What is the void? So in today's class, I have explained you is about coordination number and type of packing in 2 dimension and 3 dimension, in which 3 dimension is very important, students. And do remember the coordination number value, packing efficiency for all of them, and the void percentage. Diagram is not required, but to make you understand, I have made it, okay? Do remember it is impossible to make the real diagram, so you have to imagine, though I have not touched them each other, but you have to remember that they are touched with each other when you find the coordination number. Okay, this much for today. Thank you very much. If you want, you can take the screenshot.